Earlier guys, binidyuhan ko itong lote nito which is also available. And this time, we're gonna feature this lot, no? This is lot 21 and this is also available. This is 245 square meters at 92,000 per square meters, located dito sa may Versailles, Alabang, along Daang Hari Road po niyan. Katapat po niya yung Ayala, Alabang. Okay, so ito po ngayon yung property. I'll show you kung ano yung environment dito or yung neighborhood nyo banda rito, ha. So over this area, wala pa pong bahay. Okay? And then over this side ay meron pong ongoing construction na bahay. And then ito, kalsada to dito. And then on this side, merong another house dyan. So itong lot pala na ito, yung katabi nitong lote, this is lot 21, right? And this is lot 19. This is also available. This is 249 square meters. Kaya po, kung gusto po ninyo ng malaking lote, ay pwede nyo pong kunin itong dalawa. Kasi magkatabi lamang po siya. Para mas malaki po yung lot. For example, gusto nyo pang mapagawa ng swimming pool, or hindi lang isang bahay yung itatayo nyo po dito sa compound. Okay? So for more information about this property, yung aking pong Facebook and phone number ay ilalagay ko po sa description nitong video.